Hey Slot Car fans, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another review. This time it's on the Porsche 911 RSR. And look at that bling of a paint job. Let's get to it. So this has got to be my current favorite Carrera 132 that I have. Just that chrome paint job is phenomenal. I love it. And there's a reason why I chose to review this one today. I've already opened this one and I have ran laps with it. Haven't tuned it up. I haven't sanded the tires or anything like that. But straight out of the box, not only is this one of the best looking ones, it was also the fastest out of the box. As you probably, if you watched my last video, you would have seen when I showed my lap times on this track that this was already up there in the top 3 without doing anything. So out of the box, this thing was great. And now it's on to the photo shoot. This car out of the box was the best next to the F1 cars. It had the second best time up until yesterday, where the Mercedes GT3 beat it after sanding the rear tires. This one I haven't done anything to it. The tires, you can even see that they're still stock. I haven't done nothing with them. So the fact that this was as fast as it was and basically glued to the track as it was impressive. So not only does it look good, out of the box, it was by far the best so far. So I guess I should run some laps. Impressed, set a really good time here. Almost beat the Red Bull F1 car. Without doing anything, just running a few more laps, it already re-overtook the Mercedes GT3 and is back into second, just behind the F1 car by a fraction. So I say we beat my track record, sand down these tires, and see what we can do. So I'm back here at my tire chewer. I'm gonna do what I did in my last video with the Mercedes GT3 and sand down both the rear tires one at a time, send it back on track, and smash that lap record. Still a few dark spots you can see here on the tires on both sides, so I'm gonna hit it one more time and we should be good. Alright, so I repeated the same process as I did in my previous video reviewing the Mercedes GT3. I ran the car twice on either side on my tire chewer, about 30 seconds each time, and it looks pretty good now. The tires are flat and square. Clean them off with the painter's tape again and some water, and we're all set. Let's get this thing on track and beat that record.
Massimo Prescar did a new fastest lap. New track record by Massimo Prescar.
Okay, let's go into the track records here, and we smashed it by over half a second on the Red Bull F1 car. That's awesome. We sent it. So as you all saw from the timing screen, I didn't even have to run that many laps for this car to break the lap record. I gained again over half a second by just sanding the rear tires, just like the Mercedes GT3. I gained, I believe, just over half a second on my last video. So it's constantly around half a second that I'm gaining by just doing that. So this car now holds the lap record. I believe it was 4.113 around the track. This guy off the top step here because we have a new leader in town. Well, that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, throw up a like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, keep the rubber side down, and we'll catch you again soon. Later.